In this tutorial, we will learn about Degen mode, a powerful feature that simplifies leverage arbitrage in the cryptocurrency market. With Degen mode, you can easily discover and capitalize on market opportunities using optimal strategies. It allows you to provide liquidity, engage in swaps, and earn higher APRs within integrated depths. To access Degen mode, simply go to the Degen tab. Here, you will find a selection of potential market strategies to explore and execute. Remember, Degen mode is exclusive to users with a minimum balance of $1,000 worth of a single asset. To execute a strategy, choose the one that suits your goal from the provided list. For example, let's say you are interested in the fourth strategy where you can use Stark as collateral and borrow Stark to provide liquidity to the Stark pool. In this strategy, you have two options. Either you can select Stark token, either you can select the R Stark token. In this strategy, the suggested leverage here is a 5x. In addition to this existing feature, it's important to note that the users have the flexibility to adjust their leverage when executing a strategy in Degen mode. To execute a strategy, simply click the Execute button and sign the transaction using your Starknet wallet. You can track your strategy from the Your Borrow page here. Degen mode helps you act quickly on opportunities and efficiently execute strategies, giving you an edge in the dynamic crypto market. However, it's important to remember that while Degen mode aims to minimize risks, it cannot guarantee risk-free returns. Always exercise caution and make informed decisions. In its current version, Degen mode covers strategies related to liquidity provisioning across automated market makers and other lending protocols. It is designed to maximize your yields through arbitrage farming and earning Stark rewards.